Now students, the second alkane. So what is the first alkane? Alkane with one carbon atom. What is it called? Methane. Meth means one carbon atom. So first alkane is methane. Now second alkane is ethane. So what is the word root used here? Eth. Eth means how many carbon atoms? 2. That you have to remember. Meth means how many carbon atom? 1. Eth means how many carbon atom? 2. So how many hydrogen atoms? Double of carbon. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6. So how many hydrogen? 6. So what will be the molecular formula for ethane? C2H6. Again I repeat, eth means 2 carbon atoms, ane means single bond between carbon atoms. And single bond between carbon atoms means it comes under alkane. And what is general formula for alkane? CnH2n plus 2. So you will put that formula and find out the molecular formula. So eth means 2 carbon, double of 2, 2 2s are 4, plus 2, 6. So how many hydrogen atoms? 6. So what is molecular formula for ethane? C2H6. Now next structural formula. So how many carbon atoms? 2. And ane means single bond between carbon atom. So you will write 2 carbon with single bond. Then satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogen. And what is valency of carbon? 4. So this carbon attached to 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. C2H6. Okay. Now condensed formula. In short you will write. So to this carbon how many hydrogen attached? 3. CS3. Single bond again to this carbon how many hydrogen attached? CS3. So this is condensed formula. Structural formula means you will show the bonding. Condensed. In short, in a condensed way you will write. Molecular formula means it directly tells the actual number of atoms of each element. So how many elements are there? Carbon and hydrogen? 2. How many carbon atoms? 2. How many hydrogen atoms? 6. So molecular formula gives us the actual number of atoms of each element in that compound. Okay. So you should be able to differentiate. If the question is asked, write the molecular formula of ethane. You should know what to write. This is molecular formula. Structural formula means you have to show the bonding. Condensed formula, this CS3 with bonding you have shown, together you will write CS3 single bond CS3. And if asked electron dot structure, so you will overlap the orbitals and show the shared pair of electrons by dot or cross. So to draw the electron dot structure, students, you will see the structural formula. It will be easy for you. So here 2 carbon atoms, they are attached by single bond. So you overlap 2 carbon atoms and write C. And overlapped area you keep some space to show the sharing of electrons. Okay. And between 2 carbon atom, what type of bonding is there? Single bond. Means how many electrons? 1 pair of electron. So 1 electron of this carbon and 1 electron of this carbon. They share, and what type of bonding is formed? Single covalent bond. And this carbon is attached to 3 hydrogen atoms by single bond. So you overlap 3 hydrogen atoms. 1, 2, 3. Write H. And between carbon and hydrogen, what type of bonding is there? Single bond. Means how many electrons are there? 1 pair of electron. 1 electron of this carbon and 1 electron of hydrogen. So, and you are showing the electron of carbon by cross. So, you will show the electron of hydrogen by dot. So, towards carbon you will show cross and towards hydrogen you will show dot. Okay. And this carbon again linked to 3 hydrogen atom through single bond. So you overlap 3 orbitals of hydrogen, write H, and then between carbon and hydrogen single bond, means one pair of electron. One pair means two electrons. So one electron of carbon and one electron of hydrogen. So electron of carbon you are showing by cross and electron of hydrogen you are showing by dot. Again here electron of carbon you are showing by cross and electron of hydrogen by dot. Okay, so this is electron dot structure for ethane. Again I repeat students, meth means how many carbon atom? 1. Ane means single bond between carbon atoms. Eth means 2 carbon atoms. Ane means single bond between carbon atoms. Okay.